Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you salmon. Sometime my body called for some salmon, so this is the canned salmon. So you're gonna need a can of salmon, about a teaspoon of salt, sea salt, a tablespoon of dried basil, a tablespoon of dried parsley, two small tomatoes, two stalks of scallion, a spring of thyme, about three or two garlic cloves, um, a small onion, and half a teaspoon of pimento berries, and some ketchup in the end, and some oil for cooking, coconut oil preferably, and some scotch bonnet pepper, and maybe about a tablespoon of white vinegar. This is 213 grams. My theme today will be pink salmon and tomatoes. Right. I don't know where to start. Let's start with this. So scallion, just strip it, the dead leaves off. Springtime, we'll rinse those. Garlic. That. And strip the leaves off. Let's take this off only. Leave this through all the flavors. Unless it's spoiling like this. It looks like it's spoiling. See? It's spoil. Make sure the dirt is off. Alright. This Let's mash it as fine as possible. Slice these. Just keep them separate. The onion one side and the garlic one side. Just dice these in cubes. It's the herbs, we're gonna add the herbs while it cooks. Just for the pepper now. Just one half. Right there. I'm going to take some of the vinegar, white vinegar juice from this and add. Next, let's just clean the surface. I'm going to clean it. Let's do this. If you have an opener, just use your opener. But if you use a knife, cut it away from you, like this. Remove the water. Alright, this is what it looks like in the can. Just remove the water. It's important that you remove the water. And put this aside for later. Put to eat a frying pot for stewing. Put the stove gauge on 6. That's like medium high. And allow this to dry. Once it's dry, add oil. Alright, after a minute or less and dry, add oil. About half of a quarter cup. I go ahead and mash this, add it. Alright. Add the onion. Allow it to saute. If you like onions, you don't have to saute it as much. I like my onion saute. After 1 minute, add the scallion. Scallion and the onion have the same texture, so you burn it, take the same time to saute. Garlic now, don't take that long. Some people who like onions, you can add garlic now and the tuna and all that stuff now. But I like my onion sauteed, so I'm gonna let it cook for a little while. That would be a good time for the garlic. Smash out this one. Put your stove gauge on low. Okay, don't mash out the tuna that much, just break it up a little bit. Add a little water, about 2 or 3 tablespoons of water. Put the stove gauge on low and cover it. Add herbs. Pimento berry. Pepper. Dried basil. White vinegar. Just try to see. Just cover it and just allow it to simmer. Remember now the stove is on low. Low meaning very low, almost off low. That and a little ketchup, about a tablespoon or 2. That's it, turn it off. Just allow the steam to soak in all the herbs and vegetables and so forth. So in other words, I'm showing you how to cook natural. No powder seasoning, just natural flavoring. Getting ready to serve like no. the times tick. Canned salmon with tomato. I'm gonna give you a joke because I wanted to say the word correct. Salmon. Actually, googled it. I didn't want to say salmon. I just wanted the correct way of saying it. So it's salmon. I love watching the documentary when the salmons come from the sea and they work up the rivers to get to the top of the rivers. Various spots in the world, like various spots, parts in Africa, various places where they just work themselves up the river, go to a particular spot where they spawn and mate, and then die. Strangely, as soon as they mate, they die. I love cooking this occasionally. But this meal is expensive in our country. The can that you saw probably cost me about $3.50. Simple, nice, easy. Healthy. Enjoy. I didn't sprinkle any salt on it, and I just realized. Sorry. Just put a little tip. Just a little tip. For you all that's sensitive to salt, this meal could have cooked without salt because I didn't put in the salt before and I was eating it. It tastes quite fine because I'm sure the preservative water that you saw it in, that's salt. Alright, just to say too, while Alaska, I was watching a documentary and I didn't even know that some of these salmons that they're selling, they are farm produced. So if you buy fresh salmon, like fresh, make sure it's wild Alaska. Omega 3.